Welcome to day 19, Monster 19. We begin our little devil with dividing lines across and up and down. His head takes up the top half of this, and his cartoon body takes up the bottom half of this picture frame. Now for some color outlining, and then eventually we're going to add some pink oil pastel and smudge it all over this guy's body. Here we'll pick up our red oil pastel and add some red to this little devil, because he is, after all, a red little devil. And then we'll mix it and blend it in with the pink down near his belly. Take note of how I use my red colored pencil to blend some of the red oil pastel in and give the figure a complete solid look. Now pick up your black Sharpie and add some black contrast outlining. That'll make this guy pop. Finish off his pitchfork with a regular number 2 pencil, and then add some shading under his eyebrows to give that some dimension as well, and then finish off the detailing of his pitchfork. Pick up a green marker and use red's complement green to add a little bit of excitement in his eyes and finish this character off with a little more detail. Add some white highlights to his pupils, make his teeth a little whiter, a couple of highlights on his horns, and this little devil is done. Don't forget to subscribe and like.